Hello my friends and welcome to another exciting episode of Tech Tuesday. For those of you who may not know me, my name is Joshua Haynes and every Tuesday I talk about technology to make your life a lot simpler. If you are currently using Xfinity as a cable provider, this video is for you. I'm going to help save you a lot of money when it comes to not having to rent a lot of cable boxes, but still have access to your live television shows, your DVR recordings, as well as any show that you have access to with your Xfinity devices. So if you're interested in watching today's Tech Tuesday video, stick around because we're about to get into it. Thanks so much for sticking around. Today's video is going to be very quick and straightforward so that it saves you time and you get all the information that you need in a quick amount of time. So, as a previous Xfinity customer for both internet and cable, I'm well aware of all the additional fees that come with Xfinity. Whether it's renting your DVR box, your cable box, your internet modem, all these rental fees add up and makes your bill sky high. So today I'm going to give you some tools on how you can decrease some of these rental fees so that you don't have to worry about that but still have access to all of the things you want to have access to with your cable. The first thing I want to say is you're actually going to have to rent a DVR box unless you purchase it yourself outside of Xfinity. The truth with Xfinity is the fact that you will always be renting a DVR box, a cable box, or an internet router with Xfinity. There is no package that they have that allows you to pay a monthly fee to actually purchase it in like 12 months or 2 years. That never exists with Xfinity. So unless you purchase your own DVR box that's compatible, you're never going to have that rental fee discounted or taken off of your bill. But for today's video, if you have recordings that you want to still have access to, you still need to rent that DVR box from Xfinity or have your own. All right, so the next thing I want you to do is make sure you have a Fire Stick or a Roku stick or have access to it with your smart TV. So let's say you have it and you're good to go. Now make sure you have your credentials for your cable, so your Xfinity email address and password. And then I want you to actually download Xfinity Stream. All right, so once you open the app, I want you to sign in, put in your credentials, and confirm that your device is actually authorizable. After that, you should see a success screen on your device. It will ask you to name your device. So as long as you have a Roku stick or an Amazon Fire Stick, you don't have to rent another box to have access to your cable TV, your recordings. As long as you have Xfinity and you have the Xfinity Stream and you have those devices, you can put that in every room and still have access to live TV, and you're not going to be kicked off because you're watching it on 2 other devices in your home. And then after that, you'll see the main menu, which actually shows the live TV, which is the live channels that are actually being played in your region. It also shows you save channels or save things that you normally like to watch. It will show you some browse, search, as well as settings. So if you aren't aware of that, shame on Xfinity for not telling you that. But that's all I have for you for today. Thanks so much for watching and sticking around. If you like what you see, every Tuesday I'm posting Tech Tuesday videos to help you make your life a lot simpler. So subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all social media platforms, whether it's for Instagram or Twitter. It's at TheJoshuaHaynes. Feel free to subscribe to this YouTube channel. You'll be notified every time I post a new video, whether it's for vlogs or Tech Tuesday videos. But thanks so much for all your support, and I look forward to seeing you next week on Tech Tuesday. See you later.